minus 4. Now, the price I have to pay for not bringing my calculator is to graph it myself, okay? But then I'm an expert in pre-calculus, so I know how to graph things. Most people don't know how to graph things. So if I was graphing this one here, y equals 2x minus 4, I will notice that when x is 0, y is negative 4. And when x is 2, y is 0. So that's a line going through those two intercepts. Anybody know how to graph this one? Well, that's, you know, you can actually pick out those for the experts to say, you know, what the coefficient of the x squared is negative, so the parabola goes down, and then where's the vertex? You do minus b over 2a, you put that in, you find it's a maximum, and you put that point, and then you find the zero. How do you find the zeros of that thing? Use a quadratic formula, or you fact, whatever. I'm just going to factor it. What are the zeros? X equals 0. X equals 2. 2. Going up or down? Negative here. Go down. Hey, how do you like my TIA 4 skills? Well, of course, you know there's going to be another intersection. So there's a notch here, K1, and there's a notch here, K2. Anybody know how to find these knots? You have to solve, set this equal to this and solve it. Huh? What are the knots? Clearly this is a knot, two zeros is a knot. How do you check the 2 zeros are not? We'll check. 2 times 2? 4 minus 4? 0. 2 times 2?
4.
Minus 4?
0.
So at x equal to 2, they're both 0. That's a knot. What's the other knot? I think it's negative 2. Let's see. 2 times negative 2? Negative 4. Negative 2 squared? It's negative 8. 2 times negative 2? Negative 4. Minus 4? Negative 8. So at x equal to negative 2, they are the same. I think x equals negative 2 is a knot. Whose calculator agrees with that? Let's see, Mr. Harris. Mr. Harris graphed it. What's this guy talking about? Pre-calculus. Let's go graph it. There it is. Seems to me that this point here is 2, 0, and this point out looks like negative 2. Huh?
Negative 2, negative 8.
And I want to find this area here. What do I do? So I integrate from way to way.
Negative 2 to 2.
I integrate from negative 2 to 2. And I'm going to do what minus what? What's on top here? It's quadratic, huh? Thank you. So the quadratic is higher than the linear function on that interval. Of course, elsewhere the bets are off. You can see on this interval, the linear function is higher than the quadratic function. So we will have to do the quadratic function minus the linear function. minus what? 2x minus 4 is that?
Yeah.
Huh? You want to get your